What I missed the most about campus was actually just being around people, showing my project, asking questions to other mates.
Also just being on the uni and just having this university atmosphere.
And a better chair to sit on and a better desk.
Better chair, yeah, better desk, yeah.
Yeah, and that you can go by bike to the campus, so you had some fresh air in the morning. Yeah, that's also really nice, again.
Student life really happens on campus.
And it's very nice to actually see the community and also see the activities that are done.
And in Eindhoven, also all the buildings are on the same site. So it's very easy to grab a coffee with people from, for example, other studies as well.
I think my coffee intake will increase again, so yeah.
I think it's very easy to keep the 1.5 meter distance, and we actually have an example to show that.
As soon as you graduate, you kind of get like one of these.
Think about 5 graduation hats, and then you also have 1.5 meter.
Another thing that makes the trick.
So actually, it's 9 rubber ducks.
But yeah, they need to be swimming, so they need to have some space as well.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Having offline education again, or at least partially offline education, is quite essential.
And like being back on campus will really contribute to that.
Okay, we have to go on studying again.
Hope to see you guys soon. And want to get a coffee?
Yeah, definitely. Oh, and let's make sure we do keep the 1.5 meters. Let's see. Yes.
Ja, even nog de 1,5 meter.